We offer free shipping directly to your doorstep. Hello, boss. We are Ivia, the original manufacturer of remote-controlled lawnmowers. We have local warehouses in Europe, the US, and Australia. You can pick up your order in person, or we can deliver it to your home. We offer more than a dozen different models for you to choose from, covering both gasoline and diesel types, with horsepower ranging from 7 to 23 horsepower. Our machines are equipped with steel wire reinforced engineering rubber tracks, providing strong traction and making climbing slopes effortless. If you're interested, boss, feel free to send us a private message with your contact information.